Module 15, Video 4, using PhET, build an atom simulation to teach basics of atomic structure. This is what's called PhET simulations from the University of Colorado. Teaching atomic structure to high school chemistry students is the purpose. The audience would therefore be chemistry learners and any teacher that was interested in this. The IST standards that this connects to is being a leader and also a designer. Prior knowledge necessary from the students would be to know the existence of electrons, protons, and neutrons. This was done with PhET simulations, and the product here for my course is done through Screencast-O-Matic. Let's go to the simulation here, which is called Build an Atom. You can just search PhET Interactive Simulations, Build an Atom, and this will come up. You got the choice of Java or 5, which I don't actually know what that means, but it does work on my computer this way. You open it up. Takes a moment. You've got some games here that the kids can play, which are very similar to this, but I will just show you how this Build an Atom simulation works. What you got here is a little basket of protons, neutrons, and electrons, and you can start by putting in whatever you'd like. And in this case, I'm starting with proton, and I see if I want to put it out here, it won't let me. And the students find out that protons only belong in the nucleus. And they also find this out that when I have one proton, I have the element hydrogen. If I add neutrons, they also only go in the center, and it doesn't. The number of these doesn't change what my element is. It does, however, change something called stability of them. See that showing up here. Let's find out what that is. Okay, here it is, stability. They see if it's unstable, it starts shaking. If I have the right number, it will say that it's actually stable. And if I try to put the electrons in the middle, it won't let me, which is what nature does, is it puts the electrons around the outer part. Now I have 2 in the first shell. If I try to put a third one there, again, it won't let me. So this teaches the kids the rules and setup of where the pieces of the atom end up. Excellent tool. I hope you'll use it.